Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, your phone says device not found even though your watch is basically right there on your hand or on your wrist. So we are going through this device not found message or error. So let's go through how to actually fix this type of issues in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. First, ensure the Bluetooth is fully on your phone. Like toggle it off and on, then make sure your watch is in pairing mode by holding the light button and look for the phone icon. As for the Android users, you must have location permissions enabled for Garmin Connect on Android since Bluetooth scanning is tied to location. So we can go through settings, apps, Garmin Connect, permissions, location, then allow it. Or we can also basically just go from here, long press the app info, then go all the way to permissions. Make sure you give it the basically multiple options here, including the health connect, location, nearby devices, notifications, phone, calendar, whatever basically permissions it will need. So if you still didn't find it, like the device is still lost, go and restart both devices if you are on iOS and recently updated the Garmin Connect app. Well, the latest update broke the pain for many Garmin users. So Garmin is trying to fix it in the new update. Make sure you keep up basically with the new updates in App Store. Go and check if there is any update needed. If you find it, just tap on update button, wait a couple seconds, then you may reuse your app. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.